Hey kids, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Dad. Today I got a special little treat for you. I'm just going to show you how to make Elvis Presley's favorite sandwich. So stay tuned to see what that is. But first, I have a dad joke for you. So why did Bugs Bunny move next door to Elvis? Because his hound dog ain't never caught a rabbit. Anyway, let's get started.
First, you want to toast 2 slices of bread. Add peanut butter to one of the slices. I like chunky peanut butter myself. Add about a half a banana sliced up into chunks. Add some honey, however much you like. Then add some cinnamon.
All right, so here it is. Let's try it out. It's excellent. I really like the cinnamon and the honey, as well as toasting the bread first. Very good. All right, so I hope this video was helpful to you. If you need a snack and you're hungry, try out a peanut butter, banana, cinnamon, honey, toasted sandwich, and you'll be just like Elvis Presley, or not. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.